Today I'm going to show you how I took some shipping tubes, some faux aspidistra ribbon, and some beautiful flowers and created this spectacular dramatic design. So let's get started. I took some small shipping tubes that I ordered online and covered them in aspidistra ribbon. I found the easiest way to do this is to strip the aspidistra into shorter widths and then attach it using either cold glue or in this case I used double-sided tape. Then I took my container and I put fresh flower foam pre-soaked with floral preservative in the container and anchored it with waterproof adhesive tape. Then I decided where I wanted to put the different tubes that I had created. From there I started adding in this beautiful Delphinium that's from Rio Roses. It's the belladonna in this dark, beautiful, vibrant cobalt blue. It really offsets the container nicely. I've also added loops of the aspidistra leaves by simply taking the stem and poking it through the middle of the leaf and then tucking them into the floral foam. After that, I added in the Brighton roses. This variety of bright yellow roses is called Brighton, and I've tucked those all around the base. I also added in these accordion woven pieces of flax that I created by taking a single blade of flax and stripping it in half and then folding it back and forth, almost like you would create a paper chain, accordion style, till I get to almost the end and then I knot it upon itself to hold it in place. I inserted those in and then brought them around and tied them to Delphinium or other strong stems. I added in the calla lilies, allowing them to kind of sweep through the design, and I also added in these wonderful pincushion protea that match the color really, really nicely. Adding that unexpected touch of architecture into your designs can really set you apart from your competition. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope to see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.